Okay, sorry. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are playing Flicker with my friend here.
Hi.
You don't have to type in chat if we're on a call. Well, anyways,
Okay.
we are going to be playing Flicker and we will mute when the game starts and we will only unmute during the meetings. So like she can watch my point of view when this video gets posted. Let's go in. Let's play. Are you gonna? Well, okay, we're both in. Let's see the point of views. Okay, let's mute right when it starts. Like what? Right when it shows your role, you mute. Okay. I'm gonna turn the volume up on the thing. Okay. Okay, the game is gonna start soon. Okay. Loading the game. What map should we pick? Hello?
Yeah. Hi.
What map should we pick?
Area 8.
Oh, okay. Area 8. Okay, guys. If I get murderer, she'll never know.
I will know.
Oh, you know me too well. You probably will.
I'll know eventually.
Yeah, you'll know at the end if you don't know at the beginning. But how am I supposed to keep, like, a good face? Like, how am I supposed to keep, like, my voice still?
In your face.
Okay. Mute.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I got clown. I had to get myself voted out. But how am I supposed to get myself voted out? But my friend doesn't want me voted out. Okay. We gotta figure out a nice strat. Oh no, I forgot her name. Which one's her? Oh no! Which one's her? Oh no, she's gonna know I'm the clown if I just say you're the murderer to her. Okay. We gotta wait until the first killing before we accuse anyone, guys. Hello, Elizabeth. This could be Barry. This could be Barry. It has Barry in the name. It could be very much Barry. Any of these could be Barry. I don't know which one. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this play. To be fair, she could have murderer. You must get voted out to kill. Kill attacks are unstoppable. You must get voted out. To kill, attacks are unstoppable. Goal, get voted out. Abilities, kill players after voted out. I got a genius idea. I'm going to drop a note saying I'm clown. How do I drop my note? I'm gonna send it to Addie. I'm gonna send it to the girl named Addie. What if that's Barry? Oh no, I can't decide. Just pass the note to someone. Just a random psychic. Good team, Strawberry. Innocent, evil, neutral. She didn't get to do anything, yeah! Just. Come on! Why? What up, Libby? Vote me. Oh. It's Kalani. Okay. Barry is Kalani. Barry is Kalani. What? Your mom. Ah, dang it, didn't work. Just let me pass the note. I'm gonna pass a note. You fall next. I'm gonna vote Kai. Preview. Send a note. To Mr. You fall next. He's gonna get me voted out. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my gosh, he said, what the heck? Oh my god. I'm totally, I'm totally, I'm totally, okay. He's not gonna die next because I'm clown. Shush. Shush. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Not for you. I'm just gonna not for you. Crap. Oh crap. Oh no. She's gonna ask the psychic to check me. No, 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 no. Be quiet. Be quiet. No, 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 be quiet. Yeah. I'm safe now. Okay, now I get to play the game normally without anybody voting me out. So who are we voting? Murderer. The murderer. We gotta vote Mr. Vote Mr. Vote him. Yay. Bro, I don't know if this is the smartest clown play. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bro, I'm like acting so much like a clown because I hate being voted out. Even if I'm clown, I hate it, okay? No. I'm good. Oh, my plan's working so well. He told everyone to vote him, but why? Who vote who? Roll call. No, they're gonna know I'm the clown. Stop dropping notes about heartaches. Elizabeth died from mysterious circumstances. I completely forgot to unmute during the meetings.
Me too.
Well, let's just stay muted the whole time, I guess.
Okay.
It's Cat. Vote Cat. Voter. Voter. I sing. A song is good, and I'm so. Vote Cat. Pick Cat. Oh. What the crap? Bro, I just gave him your phone next so I wouldn't get voted out. But then he actually fell next. I guess even if I didn't get voted out, I'm still like killing people because every time I say to vote someone out, they get voted out. Do not vote me, okay? Do not vote me. Don't vote me. Don't vote me, thanks. Don't vote me, thanks. Don't vote me. Don't vote me. Wait, is it? Not even. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this. Oh my gosh, guys. Why would you say that unless you were teaming? Bro, like, everyone I've targeted is gone. Bro, I didn't even get voted out, and I'm, like, still murdering people left and right. Like, oh my gosh. Bro, Barry has been on my side this whole time. It's you. It's you. I don't know if you said. Oh my gosh, though. It's already been one round, and it's been 16 minutes. Okay. Vote me. See what happens. Vote me. See what happens. If not, vote high. Please submit a vote. I vote high. 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 Okay, sorry for not talking, guys, but I really need. Huh. I'm going to cause chaos. How do you spell chaos? I'm gonna cause chaos. Oh my gosh, though. Wait. Okay, so the psychic revealed on neutral. Now what? Okay, guys. Why is this video so dang long? You can't vote me out now. Colin. Kalyan? Yeah. Okay. Huh. Okay, I just realized I'm not talking. Okay, sorry for not talking, guys. Oh my gosh, it's 21 minutes. I guess I get one round in. Hello? We've been muted this whole time. Are you actually an innocent though?
Yes.
Like, why does everyone I say I want to get voted out actually get voted out though? Why everyone I say the vote out actually has gotten voted out?
Happy birthday, Jency Jr. Filled with truffle and that's lollipop. Let's do some facts.
Vote Kai! Trust me, it's Kai. She's evil. You evil.
What's so simple? It's a shame what the Democrats are willing to do for a young man. John, Kingsport, Tennessee.
What's this whole time? You've been lying to us this whole time. It's your time to fall.
After not being invited to visit Nancy World Minneapolis. It's in Africa. Gina produced a Bud Light inside water. Watching her show at the bar, I just ordered a Nickelodeon snack. There you go. We're not calling for boycott. We don't do that. And we'll be called Girl Cop for a day cop.
She's evil as well. I'm just. She's evil. Yay. Yay.
House and they all try to make it over better than we do.
Oh my gosh. I've been like silent this whole dang time for this whole video. I've been just talking in chat.
Get ready for this one. And somebody's going to
Sorry, is your whole entire shirt wet? Is the whole thing wet?
Okay. Let's mute again. Okay, let's mute again.
Okay.
You. I can't believe that actually worked. Bro, I was clown, but I still got like everyone out. I got half the lobby out. Yay. I can kill people now. Wait, since Naughty left, the game never technically caught him as dying. That's my goal. Bro, Barry, since Naughty left, it still counted him in the game. So, like, the game would have ended if Naughty didn't leave. The game would have ended by now. So I just killed him. Yay! Bro, I completely trolled half this lobby. I was the clown. I was the clown. Yay! Okay, oh my gosh, this video, it takes 30 minutes for an entire Flicker round to go by? You can unmute now. Hello?
You should end the video and upload it.
It's been 30 minutes.
I thought Clown was evil.
Oh no, Clown's neutral.
I made it so far, Josh. I would have won.
You would have won if you didn't vote me out.
Yeah, I was going with my guts. You were too sus, Josh. You were too sus.
Oh, I was sussing. I was being like so sus. So like people would get I was Clown and didn't vote me out. But so I could like vote everyone out myself. Like get everyone to know not to vote me out. So I could convince everyone else to vote people out.
Let's hurry up and go.
Hey, wait, I gotta end the video first.
Oh.
Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Wait up.
I hope
Wait
you
for me.
enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Talking point for a month.